Sayerlack AT601 is one of the most versatile, professional, natural look lacquer wood coatings on the market. Its dead matte finish protects interior timber from spills and stains and shows off the natural grain without adding any level of gloss or changing the colour of the wood. It performs as well as any 2-pack polyurethane system and produces a high-end, soft touch finish that is suited to interior joinery. AT601, a 2-pack water-based coating, making it a low VOC product, low odour and much safer for the environment than polyurethane-based alternatives. It's also multi-purpose. You can use it as a top coat or a self sealer, so you can apply it directly to bare wood. When it comes to durability, AT601 lives up to Sayerlack's reputation for hard-wearing wood finishes. It has good chemical and wear resistance and excellent transparency. It's possible to use 601 as a 1-pack coating, in other words without hardener, but bear in mind that it will lower the product's chemical and physical performance if you do. Sayerlack AT601 can be used on pretty much any interior timber, and it provides super protection when used on bedroom furniture, kitchen panels, living room furniture, exposed timber beams, picture frames and flat and turned timber. You will need a conventional spray gun or air-assisted airless spray pump to use this product. You can also use it with a curtain coater or automatic spray line. To get the best results, there are a few key things to remember. You should always stick to one brand for your coating system. AT601 is designed to be used with a Sayerlack base coat such as AU 420. When using AT601 as a top coat, sand the base coat first with 280 to 320 grit sandpaper. Apply the top coat of a weight of 80 to 100 grams per metre squared to achieve the most natural looking finish possible. If you're using the product for industrial coating systems, catalyse with Sayerlack AH1503 hardener plus 1% of Sayerlack XA4080 cross-linking hardener to speed up stacking times. Thin the lacquer with 5% tap water if necessary. We'd love to hear how you get on with this product. Drop us a message in the comments, or if you need any help with your wood coating system, contact our Total Paint Shop support team.